Welcome my dear friends, myself Prashanth. Today I am here with a small video that will help you to make your classroom more interesting and that will help you to prepare the student's life for a long life. I am with some important tips that will help you to make the classroom teaching effective and I would like to deliver the lesson and this video will be very much fruitful for the betterment of career of our students. Kindly keep in mind and if you are watching my videos for the first time, kindly subscribe my channel and watch this video up to the end. Here I am with some special tips that will help you to enrich and engage active learners in the classroom. First of all, I would like to give a small suggestion as per the NEP, the new education policy. I am preferring to give the tips. And don't forget to keep in mind all these valuable points. It will help you to make the learning fruitful and long lasting. My dear friends, first of all, I would like to give the point. You have to focus every time application based learning in the classroom. Practical application based learning will help the learners that will help for earning. Earning while learning is the best policy in teaching. We have to mold our students like that. So practical application is very important in our day-to-day life. Kindly teach the students with the support of activity oriented classrooms. And you have to try every time development of critical thinking skills among the students. Then only they can solve the problems that will face in the real life situations. That type of problem solving approach is very important in the day-to-day classroom. Whatever may be the subject you are teaching, you can apply all these tips. And critical thinking is very important as per the new education policy in our classroom. And we have to change our classroom teaching in different methods. And NEP put for very important teaching method like experiential learning, learning by doing, innovative pedagogy, critical pedagogy we can apply. Look at this picture also, you can get the idea what is the suggestions from NEP. Innovative pedagogy is the very important one that will include experiential learning, integrated pedagogy. There the students will learn while playing games, art integrated, sports integrated, storytelling methods, lot of methods we can adopt. And promotion of peer tutoring also very important for development of skills. You know very well we can use our own high achievers, gifted students for peer tutoring. And use of technology, integration of technology and bagless days, bookless days, all these things are very important and we have to give much due weightage, equal weightage for classroom teaching and what the students are learning outside. This is innovative pedagogy is very important as per NEP. And what is the assessment pattern they have to bring? You have to bring the assessment pattern 360-degree assessment pattern where the students are assessing themselves, the term-wise assessment, teacher assessment, classroom assessment, outside the assessment, outside the classroom assessment. All these things will help you to bring 360-degree assessment. Students will be completely assessed that will help you to mold their character in the positive ways. And you have to give more importance for technology engaged classrooms. You have to update your technology. Nowadays we can bring lot of games through the support of technology. You can develop lot of gaming methodologies, teaching aids with the support of digital tools that you have to develop. And another tip, promote creativity and innovation. With the support of critical thinking, students can develop a lot of creative ideas. It is sometimes import, sometimes it is molded. So you have to bring lot of colorful activity that will bring creativity. You can mold creativity and students will bring lot of innovative ideas. Kindly accept it and try to implement in the classroom. Then promote every time financial literacy programs. Teachers can implement or the high achievers, gifted students can be utilized for promoting the financial literacy among all the classrooms. It's very important as per the new education policy. And student-led conferences or seminars can be conducted in the SLCs, you can conduct in the classroom. That also will help the students to face the interviews in the future, complex job-oriented programs in the future. They can also mold themselves through the student-led conferences. And it's very important. Nowadays, students are much facing boring classrooms that can be eradicated with the support of gamification in the regular classroom. Think innovatively. All the teachers can bring innovative ideas. Lot of tools we can bring in the classroom to make gamification very important. And you have to keep in mind students lifelong learners. Every student should be treated as lifelong learners. You have to be a scaffolder for lifelong learning. You can bring lot of sources for updating their awareness, developing their life skills, all that things you can bring with the support of lot of materials available, the day-to-day classroom practices. Then learning will be much interesting among these students. My dear friends, you can keep all these tips for bettering your classrooms. Mind warm-up is very important. Never use any harass words that will hurt the minds of students. Every time the mind is the best environment. A positive mind is always opens the doors for learning whatever the thing taught by the teachers. So mind warm up. Then learn with fun. You can bring colorful activities, colorful teaching aids, colorful digital materials for making the learning fun. So create maximum opportunity for the students. Provide maximum opportunity for the students' expression. And you have to include the age-appropriated activities. Lot of teaching activities we can include in the classroom. Dramas, kids, role plays, dance, music, every games, quizzes. Lot of activities we can bring in the classroom. Gamification is very important, already told. Students made games are also very important. You can promote the students' critical thinking level and creativity, innovation with the support of student made games. We can arrange a lot of class discussions, panel discussions, then talk shows by different students. They can conduct extempore speech also on the various dynamic and trending subjects, and they can arrange visual tools. Students can bring visual tools, teachers can bring visual tools, digital tools that will help to enrich the learning. And also we can bring skills grouping. Lot of important techniques are there. Then keep them every time busy, and they have to learn everything with some curiosity. Try to bring active toys in the classroom. Mix up different teaching styles. So you have to bring every time variety teaching styles, teaching methods, bringing technology, integrating technology, ICT, and you have to bring these type of ideas also. You have to implement, plan outdoor activities. Never continue the classes within the same walls. And cooperative learning strategy also bring lot of good innovation and interactive learning in the classroom. Then documentary preparation by students in the important topics. Then incorporate mystery into your lessons every time. Bring mystery every time. Then only they will be very eager to learn every concept. So these are the tips I would like to give to you all, my dear friends, my dear teachers. And accountancy, commerce are very, very important. We can bring these type of activities in commerce related subjects, science related subject, humanities related subject. There is no class restriction. From 1 to 12, we can bring this type of implementation to enrich our learning. So I would like to thank with some more additional points like make your lessons every time interactive, and relate every materials with the real life situations. Flipped classrooms are also very much helpful nowadays. Thank you so much for your patient listening. Kindly watch the technical videos uploaded in my YouTube channel. If you like to watch more videos, you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Definitely you will get a best academic year in the 2023-24. All the very best, my dear friends. Signing out, Prashant.